Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
How to check your system information using command prompt. In the Windows search bar, type CMD. Click on the command prompt from the results. The command prompt window will open on your desktop. To check your complete system information, type systeminfo and press enter. A detailed list of system information will now be displayed on the screen. To save this information, select all the text and press Ctrl C on your keyboard to copy it. Open a Notepad document, paste the copied information and save the file for future reference. This is how you can check your system information using command prompt. Thank you for watching.